This experiment simulates the working of metamorphism. We need to prepare a few things: rice grains, modelling clay, 2 CD cases, a ruler. Modelling clay simulates a rock. Rice grains simulates the mineral in the rock. CD cases for easier compression of the clay. And the ruler is for cutting the clay. First, we add some rice grains to modelling clay and roll it into dough. Roll the dough thoroughly to make sure the rice grains are evenly distributed. Put the dough between 2 CD cases and flatten the dough to a thickness of ½ centimetre. Use a ruler to cut the slab into sections. Examine the orientation of rice grains at the cutting face of the sections. How do the rice grains distribute after compression? Do you know what process this experiment simulates? The simple experiment simulates the working process of metamorphism.